started hearing a beeping in the house and couldn't figure out what that strange noise was, and so I went looking and finally went up the attic stairs and tried to turn on the light and couldn't turn on the light, and the black smoke started rolling down. Yeah, I am extremely grateful. I know that if it would have been in the middle of the night and I hadn't had a smoke detector up there, the chances are that my family would not have made it through the night. That smoke was thick and dark, and we didn't have what we needed in our house to keep our house safe previously.
She very much credits our program as helping to make an impact for their family and potentially save them.
Screws.
We started this initiative, again, about 5 years ago to install as many free smoke alarms as we can, particularly in vulnerable homes and communities, but truly everywhere that somebody needs them. So if we can install a free smoke alarm, if we can help people with fire escape planning in conjunction with partnerships like the Spokane Fire Department, that just makes all of our communities safer. And we basically just want to get out and save as many lives as we can.
1 photoelectric, 2 ionization.
Really, this is one of those programs where it's no cost to you. They come in, they put them in your house where they need to be, and then you can just rest assured that your family is safe when it comes to fire. And so it's a great program. I don't know why anybody wouldn't do it.
We see success in that lives were saved here, and the loss in this home could have potentially been a lot worse if there wasn't a working smoke alarm on that floor. So this is a smoke alarm save that we call it. This is a family in a home that is better off because they had working smoke alarms in their home.
We're seeing the payoff that inspires us to want to continue to do as much as we can every day to install smoke alarms during these big event blitz days. We're just trying to get the word out, get people to either check the alarms that they have or contact the Spokane Fire Department to make sure that we can come out and do that for them.
The incident last night really just tells me how important it is to have them in all of those sleeping areas. Because it's just it was only 5 minutes before the fire department was here, and that fire was hot. It would have been a deadly fire if someone had been sleeping up there.